Hey, I'm Shane. This is Wood and Fire Barbecue. You can't live on smoked meat alone. So today, I'm going to show you how to make smoked queso mac and cheese topped with some flaming hot chicharrones. It's going to make your tongue slap your brain out. Let's do it. Okay, to start, we have America's favorite processed cheese. And I like to throw in some Gouda as well as some cheddar. And then we're gonna add a couple cans of Rotel. I'm a bit of a pepper fanatic, so I'm gonna go with a can of Hatch flavored and then some original Rotel. So let's get this chopped up and in a pan. Insert your cutting the cheese joke here. Be sure to drain the liquid out of the Rotel before you put it in here. It'll be a mess if you don't. All right, hit the pit. So here we are. Temps, not really important for this. You're melting cheese, you're not cooking meat. So I would suggest somewhere between 200 and 250 degrees. You just want to be able to get some smoke on this and let it melt so you can stir it up. Maybe you're looking at a half an hour, something like that. So let's get it on. Okay, it's been about 30-35 minutes. I've stirred it a couple of times. Let's see what we got. Oh, it looks perfect. Oh yeah. All right, let's head back inside and continue this program. Obviously, you can use whatever pasta you want. I'm not going to show you how to boil pasta. I'm assuming most of you know how to do that. But you can use elbow macaroni, just your typical stuff that you put into a macaroni and cheese. I like to use cavatappi because I'm super fancy. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the pasta to finish up, I'm gonna stick the immersion blender in here. We're gonna blend all this up. It's just how I like to do it. If you don't wanna do that, it's completely up to you. If you don't have an immersion blender and you do wanna do it, you could use your regular blender. So, all right, add your pasta in. Another pro tip I'll give you, if you ever find it's tightening up, it's not the consistency you want, add a little bit of milk or heavy cream. All right, so now for the topper. Grab the bag of chicharrones, flaming hot chicharrones you find at your grocery store. This is just a particular brand I can find at my grocery store. We're gonna take some, throw them in a plastic bag, give them a good smash. Don't pulverize them, you want some chunkiness to it. And then we're gonna top this off and it's gonna be delicious. It's creamy. It's got that kick from the Rotel. Man, the idea for this dish came to me after I visited one of my favorite Texas barbecue spots a couple of years ago. They had queso mac and cheese on the menu and it was topped with flaming hot Cheetos. So the way my brain works, I'm immediately like, how could I take that idea and make it my own? And I immediately hit upon the chicharrones, the flaming hot chicharrones. It's so tasty. It's got the nice crunch from the chicharron on top of it. It's creamy. It's delicious. It is the perfect accompaniment to any smoked meat you may be doing. So I highly recommend you give this a try. You will not regret it. It's fantastic. So I appreciate you watching. If you like what I'm doing here, give me a like, give me a subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps me out immensely. With all that, until next time, get up, go out, cook some good food, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today, and I will catch you on the next one.